The global auto industry is highly competitive, and it is dominated by companies in Europe, Japan, the United States, and South Korea. Volkswagen, Toyota, and Daimler are the three leading passenger car manufacturers in the world. Jaguar. Owned by Tata Group of companies, this car brand has its very own variability and a level of classiness that cannot be compared with other automobile companies. While taking care of the safety measures of the passengers with taking due care of providing a technology well researched and tested, this car brand has shined its way out in and around the globe with a high level of resale values. Some of the best models are Jaguar XJL, Jaguar Z and so many more. Audi. According to Consumer Reports, Audi makes the best cars while being the most prominent car brand for designing the best car interiors, with easy and accessible controls. This automobile company has always been innovative with its technological advancements, proving its MMI infotainment system to be among the best available among the other brands. This car brand has the biggest vehicle lineups, from being super mini to being super huge, with the best available diesel and hybrid engines, making it prominent for road racing. Toyota. Toyota was ranked the highest in the Kelley Blue Book's rate of resale value. Over the last few decades, this car brand has worked hard in providing its customers with the utmost perfection and comfort. Safety for the passengers has always been of utmost importance for this automobile company and was awarded for the same. It was also awarded by the same Kelley Blue Book's top green vehicles, as it also focused on innovative technology keeping in mind the environment. With durability and quality, this car brand truly is one of the best car brands in and around the globe. Land Rover. Land Rover, which is Britain's very own icon, is not a part of Jaguar Land Rover, which is owned by Tata Motors of India. While being a premium brand, it is also an SUV specialized model. Wherever you would go for off-roading, you will definitely have thought of a Land Rover. No doubt that this car brand is a must-have for off-roaders. It notably has tremendous passenger space while providing a safe journey to its passengers. This car brand is mostly favored for adventurous journeys. Lexus. Lexus is one of those car brands which has received the most awards among all the automobile companies. Lexus has always been a prominent car brand that has fairly served its purpose with good quality, speed, and comfort. This car brand is successfully known for its high resale value. Many customers have claimed that Lexus makes eco-friendly vehicles that are long-lasting and reliable. The vehicles manufactured are fuel-efficient, making them even more reliable for their buyers. Porsche. Being the world's largest race car manufacturer, Porsche has been in the car brand league since 1931. This Germany-based automobile company, they have made vehicles that would give a set-class experience of an SUV with also giving the touch experience of being a sports car. With the up-to-date overall design of the car model, this brand embarked on the rough yet smooth race-track driving experience. It is one of the best compact luxury car manufacturing automobile companies, which made its mark in the Sports Car Hall of Fame by establishing the legendary 911. Bugatti. With the establishment of Chiron, Bugatti has marked its way of being under the top car brands in and around the globe with elite status. This automobile company has made the most exclusive and the most innovative sports car which was ever introduced in the techno-waved world. With a speed wide tested and loved by its passengers, this car has been equipped with well-established safety kits. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.